What's up, guys? So we got a 2017 V6. We did axle back exhaust on it from CJ Pony Parts, right? Their house brand.
Yep.
So we're just gonna go over how I'm gonna talk about how it went on and the fitment, and we'll have a startup video to see what it sounds like. It takes about a half hour. Basic Sawzall with a 6-inch blade, a deep well 5/8 for the clamps, and then a 1/2 inch for the muffler brackets if you need to take them off, which I felt once we got the stock mufflers off, it was easier to put the new ones on with the stock brackets off and then slide up the mufflers. So we'll get a little video of looking at it, and I'll take you underneath the car so you can see it. They look like they're pretty well centered. It looks pretty good. They're real chrome. They're 4-inch tips. They're rolled, so they're real shiny. I mean, the quality on the CJ Pony Parts, pretty much it's identical to the Roush. It just doesn't have their name on it. But I mean, dude, these things are nice. I mean, the fitment was great. For $299, they're not bad. So I would recommend these for your V6. These are 2 1/4 inch pipes. They do make them for a GT and 2 1/2. But this is for the V6, so it's 2 1/4. So you can see it's just one hanger. Literally, there's one hanger on here. I mean, it's this nice chrome, tubular, and then it's got one clamp that goes on here. You do have to cut the stock pipe. The instructions are pretty straightforward on this kit. All you do is when the stock muffler comes around the bend and you get right to the straight point, all you need to do is cut it right when it starts going straight, and then pretty much this pipe just slips right over and you got the clamp. I would always say cut less, because you can always cut more later if you need to take more off, but you can never add it back on. It's too much of a pain. So on the passenger side, on this side, I didn't cut enough, so I had to take an additional like 1/4 inch off to get the proper fitment to slide on. Everything on this side fit perfect. I had to do a minor tweaking with a giant pipe wrench on this hanger to get it perfectly centered. And on this one, you can kind of see the bend in this. I had to bend it down to get the tip to go up. And then this one here, I had to bend it, I got to bend it this way to push the pipe, the tip that way to get it centered. Pretty much they fit good, but I'm anal and I like having everything centered and perfect. So I like having everything lined up and as close to center as possible, which on these you can see it's like dead nuts in the center. I mean, the fitment is great. A little bit of tweaking. I don't care if you buy an $800 exhaust, $300 exhaust, there's a good chance you're going to be doing some tweaking to make it fit. You want to go ahead and start it up? So it's not bad. It's actually pretty mellow and quiet. It does have the factory big resonator, which you'll see right there in the middle of the car. That's a big resonator underneath there. But he's gonna hop in it and give it a little bit of gas so you can kind of hear what this thing sounds like. But I think it sounds good for a V6. I mean, it's that sounds good. That sounds real good.